And by implementing this trick, it will not only help you save more money on your data usage, but also, do you constantly ask how your mobile data gets done within just seconds and you end up paying higher bills for your mobile data? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the trick which will help you reduce your mobile data usage. And by implementing this trick, it will not only help you save more money on your data usage, but also enable you enjoy a smooth experience with your mobile device. Well, in most of the times, what makes our mobile data go fast are the mobile updates, video downloads, and photo downloads, because some people like me, we are in very many WhatsApp groups and other social media sites. So I'm going to show here the way in which you can be able to minimize your mobile data usage. So you're going to come here like this. You're going to come and tap on Play Store here, this app here. So when you tap here, you're going to come and tap here. You're going to tap here on this icon there. So when I tap there, let me tap there. You're going to come and tap on settings down here. You tap on settings. So when I tap on settings, then I tap here. Only on this, I tap on this. So when I tap there, I only do changes only on these things here. Only do changes on these things here. These three things, only do changes here. So this is what I do. On app download preference, you choose it like this. You come and tap here. There are three things here. You may choose to download over any network, over Wi-Fi, or as anytime. So when you choose to download over any network, that means when you are whether on Wi-Fi or not on Wi-Fi, you can be able to download any app. When you choose to download only on Wi-Fi, that means when you are not on Wi-Fi, there is no any app which is going to download. So in that case, you choose over any network. Then you come on the second part here, auto app update, this one here. So when I tap on auto app updates, this one, and this is where the mobile data goes very fast, because there is, when you choose to download over any network, that means that all your mobile apps, they'll be downloading when you don't know. So that's why we recommend you choose to download over Wi-Fi only. So when you tap on Wi-Fi, that's where when you'll be able, your apps will only be able to download when you're connected on Wi-Fi. So then on another thing is autoplay video, this part here. So when I choose this, that means I choose autoplay video over Wi-Fi. So when I choose over Wi-Fi, that means my videos will only download when I'm connected on Wi-Fi only. So because when I'm in very many of these WhatsApp groups, they will send videos which I may not want to download. So which means if I choose to download over Wi-Fi, I'll only click on those videos which I'm only interested in. So these are the changes you need to make such that you can be able to save your mobile data usage. So if you have done those changes and still your mobile data gets done when you don't know, now you need to be able to monitor your mobile data. And how do you monitor your mobile data? If you're interested to know how you can monitor your mobile data either on a daily basis or on a monthly basis, click on the link in the comment section.